Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Amin. In this video, we will learn about the notarized address undertaking that is required for the OCI minor application through VFS. So if you are looking to get the address undertaking template, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Now comes the proof of address. The document must be self-attested. Now you need to see here, there has been a change in the new checklist regarding the proof of address. You not only provide the address proof copy such as driving license or a utility bill, but along with that, you also need to provide a notarized undertaking form. So I will be showing you the notarized undertaking form, but first of all try to understand this. Now if the proof of address have both the names of parents, father and mother, then both of them needs to sign at the bottom of the photocopy page. If only one name is present, so if it is father's driving license, then the father needs to sign at the bottom of the driving license copy. So that needs to be done. And after that you need to provide a notarized undertaking. So that particular form is this. So you need to prepare this document. So this is the father's name should be present in the from statement. There has to be subject address undertaking file reference number, and this is the place name, the date. Then you need to mention to the consular officer with reference to OCI application file reference number, I, father's name, father's passport number, father of applicant's name or child's name, undertake as under, my son or daughter is living with my spouse and I at the following address, and I have provided dash bill or driving license or any other proof as address proof with my name on it. Yours sincerely. Then father's signature should be here, and then it has to be notary public notarization here, both the signature and the stamp, and you need to sign it in front of the notary public. So this is the address undertaking form. You need to write this document by yourself and take the notarization